Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. Gopal bought 3 1/2 kgs of potatoes in the market. If he paid 84 rupees, then find the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So first let's see the solution. Given that what are given? 3 1/2 kgs of potatoes cost is 84 rupees. And you find the 1 kg of potatoes cost. So let's see. 3 1/2 అంటే 3.5 kgs divided by 84. 3 1/2 is a mixed fraction. To convert a improper fraction. How to convert? 3 into 2 plus 1/2 divided 84. Here 3 2s are 6 plus 1/2 divided by 84. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7/2 divided 84. Here 7/2 is reciprocal of the fraction 2/7 multiple 84. 7 84 how many times? 12 times. So 2 12s are 24. 1 kg of potatoes cost is 24 rupees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.